Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Tonight I am making Szechuan-style steamed fish with tofu. Fish I will be using is just tilapia, skinless, boneless, and if it doesn't fit your taste, I recommend that you would stay with white type of fish for a firm texture. This dish will be loaded with spices. It's going to be absolutely amazing, so let's get started. So besides the mandatory fish and tofu, here's what we've got. Dark soy sauce, Shaoxing cooking wine, light soy sauce, couple of leaves of Napa cabbage that I have here, 3 green onions, garlic, 5 cloves, 2 tablespoons Szechuan peppercorns, couple handfuls of dried chili peppers, and the spicy bean paste. Let's start making the seasoning. Look at this gorgeous spicy bean paste. Definitely want some of that oil too. Let's go with 2. I want to make sure that I make enough of this, because as everything steams, there will be a lot of water coming out of the fish, out of the tofu. Go in with the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, white pepper, and now mix really well to break down this paste. Going in with a tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Look at this beautiful color. Next, we'll toast Szechuan pepper just until it's fragrant. I went ahead and crushed them just slightly, just for some variety in size. But if you don't have mortar pestle, just go ahead and add them whole, it's fine. Well, let's take care of the vegetables. Just gonna roughly chop this cabbage in strips. I prefer some rough chop for this dish. Now with the ginger, just going to cut it in discs first. There you go. Now let's go with the onion. I will definitely use all 3 of these white parts. As for green, probably half of it. Something like that. Now remaining green onion, we'll do this for the garnish. So let's just cut it in very small, thin strips. Got some ice water here. Just dump them in and let them chill there for the remainder of time while we cook. Here's the tofu. I'm using medium firm. Try to dry it as much as you can. Last thing we need is the star of the show, of course, the tilapia. In my case, beautiful and fresh. And finally, we're ready to assemble the dish. Next layer is this beautiful fish. Well, there you go. I used 2 fillets of tilapia. Make middle a little bit higher for presentation purposes. And the best thing about cooking at home is that you can always add more of the stuff that you really like. Remember that sauce we made? Let's give it a quick mix. And now we'll just add this over top of the dish. if you made too much, no problem. You can store it in the refrigerator for a little longer. Now the onion. Chili peppers. Garlic. Szechuan pepper. Well, there we go. This is gonna go into a steamer here in a minute. So this dish goes right in. Cover. For about 15 minutes. Well guys, my situation is not ideal, because if you couldn't tell yet, my lid cannot be closed all the way, especially in the very beginning. So I was losing all kinds of heat. So don't do like I did. Get a big enough steamer for your bowl. But I was able to work around it and kept adding water. So I have a piece of fish here. Let's make sure it's done. Yes, flaky. Excellent. What do you think, guys? Looks beautiful, I think. I can see some liquid in there too. Delicious. You see this? Nice. One thing that remains is this onion garnish we had, remember? I'll just put some. Not much. I don't want to cover up the peppercorns. And now, over here, I'm going to heat some chili oil. A couple tablespoons. Just until it starts almost smoking. Now we're done. Well, finally, it's time to try it. I'm very excited to see how it turned out. Got the personal serving of this. I'm gonna start with tofu. Nice color. Smells absolutely amazing. Szechuan peppercorns. Cannot compare to anything. So flavorful. It's a little spicy, slightly numbing, but the balance is perfect. Let's try the fish now. Got a piece of ginger there too. So good. Heat in the back of my mouth, especially combined with the tingling sensation on my tongue. Definitely very special, very tasty, and as you saw, not that complicated. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Thank you so much for watching, as always. Please take care, and I'll see you next time.